Hey everybody, how's it going? I just found something kind of cool living in our fridge and I wanted to share it with you. It definitely reminds me of the song by Weird Al, Living in the Fridge. It is this little ambitious carrot. Isn't he cute? He wants to grow up and be a real carrot plant again. Oh, and by the way, he did not used to be orange. He was always yellow. Of course, he was a little bit less anemic than this. Anyway, I just had to share that because it's so cute. Bye.